Alright, I'm going to just give you a tour of all the work I did. And why. I still got to clean off the basement door. I still got to get access way to my garbage. But I had to clear open the drain pipe here. And there's no way I'm getting to that, which is the propane and the oil tank. Okay. Of course the barbecue grill is cleaned off. And now I did my pathway on this side. And that's my well, which still has to be cleaned off too. Now, I didn't get to the car yet, but I plan on it before I go in. I did all this, and then some fucking bozo is now using my driveway, like my back was turned, and he's using it as a fucking U-turn. Oh, my fence is completely buried on this side, and I lost all of my solar lights, which were 3, and I had to dig out the fence markers, which did me no good. And I did that pathway, lost the solar light there, and so much for the fence. Oh, and you can't even see, but the fence is like broken right there. And the mailbox, well, I can open it from the street, so if I dig it out, it's not going to be until tomorrow or Friday, and we're getting more snow on Friday. Okay, so I pulled up all the solar lights here, because why leave them now? And then pathway to the front steps for any packages that I get, and at least my 2 little solar lights are out, and that's like mighty high. Like, this is like my belly area. So yeah, we got a lot. Alright, so you got the tour. Yeah. Okay. Hey, look, that's all light on the ground there. Well, on the snow. Fence down. Fence down. Oh, I think I see a solar light sticking out. Alright, done.